Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Volkswagen Golf trunk. First, let's talk about using your key fob. Simply press and hold the trunk release button on your remote for about 2 to 3 seconds. You'll hear a click as the trunk unlatches. This is a convenient way to access your cargo area, especially when approaching your vehicle with your hands full. It's a quick and easy method that works from a short distance away. Next, let's look at the exterior release, a classic Volkswagen feature. Ensure your car doors are unlocked, either with your key fob or the interior door unlock button. Then, walk to the rear of your Golf and locate the Volkswagen emblem on the trunk lid. Gently press or lift the lower half of this emblem. You'll feel a mechanism release, allowing you to lift the trunk lid upwards. This method is intuitive and widely used. While many cars have a dedicated interior trunk button, Volkswagen Golf models often integrate this function with the central locking system. To open the trunk from inside, simply ensure all your vehicle doors are unlocked using the master unlock button on the driver's door panel. Once unlocked, the exterior Volkswagen emblem will then function to release the trunk. This design simplifies the interior, keeping the dashboard clean and uncluttered for drivers. Finally, for emergency situations, or if your electronic systems fail, there's a manual release. You'll need to access the trunk from inside the car, usually by folding down the rear seats. Once in the cargo area, look for a small lever or pull cord, often near the trunk latch itself. This is typically a white or glow-in-the-dark component. Pulling this lever will manually unlatch the trunk, providing a crucial safety exit or access point.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.